Hi everyone, my name is Robert Wiecko. I have a privilege to work as a Chief Operations Officer within Dash Core Group Inc. And I would like to present today for you what Dash is, what kind of activities we do, what are we aiming for, and what are the next steps, what are the big next steps with Dash. So personally, I consider blockchain technologies and the cryptocurrencies a biggest innovation of 21st century. Everything started in 2009 with the Satoshi Nakamoto manifesto and introduction of Bitcoin to the community, and the launch of this great idea with not very big number of supporters, but still people fascinated with economy and wanted to somehow fix what is broken with the current financial system. Multiple currencies, during the time, multiple currencies have been created based on the blockchain, based on this technology, and Dash is actually one of those. Dash is a cryptocurrency dedicated exclusively for payments, and our goal is to provide the most effective solution from the user perspective, from the financial perspective, so we can compete with the solutions that are already available on the market and that are being appreciated by the customers. Our goal is to increase financial freedom of people using and give them an opportunity to manage their funds by themselves. We want to create a payments-focused, blockchain-based system that is available for everyone. And what is special about Dash? What makes us different than the other cryptocurrencies available on the market? As I told you, we are dedicated for payments. So during the time we have developed features that are very specific for payments market, and that are very useful for payment solutions. So those are instant transactions, optional privacy feature, and we have also developed a kind of very innovative solutions for governance and founding system. And everything of this, all of these additional features are being created based on the concept of masternode. What is masternode then? A typical blockchain-based cryptocurrency has only one layer of full nodes. Those are miners, and they are providing hashing power and securing the entire blockchain. In Dash, we have developed a second layer on top of this first one, and those are simply servers. You can consider them servers, and they create a kind of entire layer of servers providing those additional features. To become a master node, you need to secure 1000 Dash in your wallet and then provide a specific hardware to the network. You are becoming master node by this, and you are getting a voting right. What is voting right and what it gives to you, I will explain later on. So let's start to deep dive into these additional features. Let's start from instant payments. Please imagine a situation when you want to transfer a kind of portion of money from Australia to United States. And what kind of solutions are available on the market nowadays? This could be a bank transfer, PayPal, Western Union. This could be Bitcoin. This could be Dash, and probably many other solutions, including credit cards and different payments systems and web networks available on the market. I'll try to analyze the most popular cases, and let's start from the case when you want to transfer a small portion of money, like $10 from Australia to United States. And let's consider the most positive scenarios, the most optimistic scenarios. With bank transfer, with IBAN protocol, let's say, it would take around 4 or 5 days to transfer this money, and the cost would be $5. With PayPal, there is an instant confirmation and not very significant cost, around half of the dollar, a couple of a little bit more. With Bitcoin, it's 10 minutes, and the cost of transaction at the moment is around $1, a little bit more than $1. And with Dash, it's an instant confirmation within around 1 second, and the cost is below 1 cent. So very attractive solution in my opinion. And let's consider another scenario when you want to transfer $1 million between the continents. With the bank transfer, the numbers are pretty much the same. Let's say four days for confirmation for the transfer itself, and then $5 for the cost of transaction. With PayPal, the confirmation is instantaneous, fantastic, but the cost is becoming significant because PayPal charges fee based on percentage of the value of the transfer, and in this particular case it's almost $30,000, so a huge portion of money. With Bitcoin, everything stays more or less the same. Let's assume 10 minutes and $1, and with Dash it stays the same as well, 1 second and 1 cent for the cost of transaction. And now imagine that you are a kind of payments business. You are in business of payments, and you process thousands of transactions, hundreds of thousands of transactions per day. So what would be your choice? What kind of solution would you choose? Obviously the fastest and the cheapest one. And in our case, Dash offers the best solution for this payment system, because if you multiply the cost of transaction by, let's say, 100,000 transfers, the choice is pretty obvious to me. Let's also talk about the privacy feature a little bit. Our network offers optional privacy feature to the users, just because we believe that privacy is a basic human right, and we want to preserve this right to our users. Honestly speaking, this feature is not being used very widely at the moment. Around maybe 5% of transactions are being private in our blockchain. However, I can imagine that this feature is being more and more attractive for the business during the time. If you drive your business, you wouldn't like an idea of providing total transparency to your competitors. You would not provide the salaries of your employees, you would not provide an information about your income, about your entire accounting, payments, and so on and so forth, because it would simply destroy your business. So I think that during the time, this privacy feature will be more and more appreciated by business as well. And I hope it will be also appreciated by regulators and governments. They will understand that privacy is nothing that is connected to the criminal activities, but rather it is very useful feature for business and for users on daily basis. Let's now talk about a little bit more about the funding system and how it works. So in typical network, mining reward, in typical network like Bitcoin or Litecoin, mining reward is being exclusively directed towards miners. In our blockchain it's a little bit different. Our mining reward is split into 3 parts. 45% of the mining reward goes towards miners, and this is the reward for providing hashing power and securing the network. 45% goes towards master nodes, and they are being rewarded for the services that I provide. And 10% goes towards budgeting, treasury system. And this budget is being used for the network development itself, for the protocol development, for the project development. You can consider it an R&D budget, let's say. How do we use it? It's quite simple. We do it. We use it for any activity that is needed for project development. My hotel here, conference fee is being funded from this system. Our marketing agency is being funded from this system. Our PR agency works the same. And it's not only Dashcore Group, so development team, that is using this system. All of the companies in the entire Dash ecosystem are being active participants and being rewarded from the system, being funded from the system, it gives a really powerful tool for the network development, because imagine that at the moment with the price of, I don't know, it's probably around $400, we have a budget on the level between $2 million and $3 million per month. In comparison to Bitcoin Foundation, when we examined last time, their budgets were on the level of $500,000 per year. So it creates a huge difference at the moment. And please imagine a situation when Dash price is, I don't know, $5,000. It gives so powerful tool for our contributors, for all of the companies that want to work on Dash, and they have an incentive to work. And how it works actually. Any company, any person who has a great idea on how to develop the network can submit a proposal to our governance system. You need to submit a proposal, and then master nodes are like examining the proposal. They validate it, they consider it valuable for the network or not, and they vote for it. Because when you become a master node, you are getting a voting right. One master node means one vote. So these projects are being submitted on monthly basis to the system, and those who are voted in receiving funds from the founding system, and they deliver different kind of results. We as a Dashcore group are one of these companies submitting the proposal, but there are multiple other companies. Dashforce News guys are submitting their own proposals. There are multiple marketing related proposals like Dash Aerospace. There is a huge move in Africa and also in South America, where people using these funds to develop their own projects, their own companies, and all of them work together on the success of the network and success of Dash, which is fantastic, which is great. For me personally, it's a kind of business perpetuum mobile, because the higher prices, the more funds we do have, and we can use those resources to provide, to acquire different type of services and to provide advantages for the network. So thanks to this, we have created an entire ecosystem of companies working for Dash. There are different companies in the ecosystem. Right now our business development efforts are being focused mainly on acquiring channel partners, just because those channel partners are providing us with an access to their own customers. So we are not, usually we do not work on specific merchants and specific integrations and adoptions, but channel partners are giving us an access to their own customers, and this way we are acquiring at once hundreds of them, dozens of them. It works great. And for example, in our ecosystem we have companies like BlockCypher, and with their APIs and services they are giving an easy access to any IT company to the Dash blockchain. Alt36 is a payments provider for the legal cannabis industry in United States. CoinFirm provides AML services to our customers. Uphold is a brokerage service. Bitnovo provides our users with cards that are very attractive for the end customer, and so on and so forth. Those are just an examples, but there are already, I don't know how many, but we are hundreds of merchants are being integrated, and multiple channel partners that are being attracted by our system, by Dash, and we work together on the network development. So what benefits of partnering with Dash do we offer to them? First of all, they are getting an access to our treasury system, and we can offer them funds to like expand their business, to work together on new services, and also we can advertise them on our social media channels. They are getting an access to our social media accounts. They work together with our PR company, so we can do common efforts in co-marketing, in PR. We can provide them with our support teams, so in case they have any issues with Dash integration, they can submit a ticket, and then there is a integration specialist being dedicated for the solution. We can help them with starting on their business in specific market or in specific area by providing additional incentives to start the business. And of course, the lowest fees on the market are decreasing their operational cost, which is very important for the business nowadays. So as you can see, we have created also the entire business concept of partnering with Dash, and so far it works really, really well. We enjoy this, our partners are very satisfied, so I think it works quite well. And what is next? We have all of these nice features. We have created this entire ecosystem within Dash. What is next from the development perspective? This is Dash Evolution. A next step for Dash, but also I believe a next step for cryptocurrencies overall. We are developing a solution that is, you can consider it a platform that is very convenient for users and for merchants at the same time. We aim to develop a solution that is very user friendly and can compete with PayPal, for example. You will have a web-based wallet that is still decentralized, with your account being stored in Dash blockchain, so you can have an access to your account and your funds from any device you have, and it will be always the same account, like you have it with bank, like you have it with PayPal. You will have also an access to Dash apps being developed on top of this solution. That there will be, of course, a multiple type of accounts being available. Eventually there will be marketplace being integrated with the wallet. And on the other side of the equation, there are merchants. If you think about blockchain nowadays, it's quite difficult to integrate any blockchain solution without third party being involved, so without payment process or broker or whatever you need. You need to build your own team with experts in the area. You need to maintain the entire solution or integration platform, which generates cost and a kind of burden for the company that is, for example, not dedicated for blockchain. And our platform will give an opportunity to merchants to integrate Dash within literally one day or even shorter. We develop multiple plugins for existing e-commerce platform. We are offering decentralized applications, APIs, software development kits, so developers can develop the solution really easily. We are building our support team, so any significant integration is being supported by integration team, but also any merchant will have an access to our service that can submit a ticket. So the problems with integrations, technical issues are being resolved in a professional way. A way that business is being driven by any company nowadays, with any IT company. So it's also a big differentiator. We have this kind of professional approach to business, and we want to offer professional services to our partners. How will it look like? Exactly like you can see on the screen. There will be wallet with an account. There will be wallet with different type of accounts being available for the user. Also with the list of your friends, history of your transactions, and so on and so forth. Very convenient, similarly looking on any device you have. I think, I'm pretty sure our users will love it. And what is important, it's coming more or less this year. MVP of Evolution is, we are aiming to release it this year, probably after vacation or around vacation. And we do our best to satisfy our customer and make it a revolution within the blockchain industry. What I want you to remember from this presentation is the fact that for your business, if you want to be integrated with Dash. If you want to use Dash as a part of your own business, we can offer you a lot of advantages. If you integrate Dash as a payments platform for your business, you will gain a lot of cost savings. The speed and reliability of our blockchain will provide you with a stable platform to support your payments, and also our support and integrations team will be happy to help you with the integration and issues you can help. And of course you are becoming a partner of Dash and part of the entire ecosystem, and it will make your business available to all of our users. And also we are becoming your partner, and we will offer our support as a core team, as a network for you and for your customers as well. So that's all. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening, and have a good day.